Ready to roll. We're about to embark on a new adventure. We're going to, what was the name? Arthur's Seat Hike, something like that. And we're going to climb that small mountain or hill, whatever you want to call it. And it's going to take us about a couple of hours. We're basically trying to find where's the starting point, which we cannot find yet. There's not a great starting point for a starting point. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Just started climbing. I'm kind of regretting it already. Not sure it was a good idea. Well, listen, there's a child climbing faster than us. So yeah, I think it's just us.
17 yesterday.
Yeah, true that. Well done, mate. Faster than us. Yeah, he's even making fun of us. Fucking running up there. All right. We're not far, that's where we're going. Can you see? The top of that rock, hill, whatever you want to call it. That's where we're going. Okay, now this is getting quite scary. Not sure if I should be recording this. Nearly died there. Hard part should be behind us. Also the most exciting one. That's the thing, you see. Hard things are always the best ones. There's a bit of philosophy in this. Climbing teaches you a lot. I'm not sure what, but it certainly does. We're nearly there actually. We're about more than halfway now. Where we are going, it's just up there, that rock. We're getting closer and closer. We're about 15-20 minutes away, not too bad, but the view is already stunning. And we thought it would be much colder, but actually it's not. I'm sweating really, and I'm wearing just a jumper and a jacket, light jacket, but it's great. I mean, you see people climbing up like nothing. It is something. Walking up the river only for the thrill of it, the thrill of it. Getting closer and closer. I think there's a lesson to be learned here. All mountains are tall before you climb them. Yeah, exactly. Don't drink and hike, first of all. But hike and drink, yeah, that's good. It does feel like Scotland. We made it to the top. Quite special. Well deserved. Congratulations to all of us. And you too, for being here with us. Well, not really, but you could have done it. I mean, if I've done it, you can do it. Really. Yay! We made it, guys. Now it's time to head down again, and I'm really excited because Italy's playing this afternoon at 5 p.m. That's where I'm gonna go. Good luck to all of us and well done.